Once upon a time, heaven, the celestial realm, was thought to occupy its own separate dimension. In my view, though, there is no hierarchy, no objective separation. That's just a mirage, a state of mind, a mere failure of imagination. This is why some people can see and interact with the dead, even touch and be touched by them. Logically, spirits can't be made of nothing. Groups of people see them. They've been photographed. Instead, they exist through a different sort of substance, far less dense and running at a much higher frequency, inhabiting with us this room and our one shared universe.
What is the universe? The universe is a physical system.
This is Seth Lloyd, MIT physicist and computer scientist. For him, information is not some ethereal abstraction. Information is physical.
Now, we've known for more than 100 years that at bottom, every atom, every elementary particle carries with it bits of information. So an electron, for instance, it has a spin, can only take two distinguishable values, spinning up like that, or spinning down like that. So it's a bit. You could call spinning up a 0, you could call spinning down a 1, but it's a bit whether you call it a 0 or a 1 or not. The universe consists of information. Every elementary particle carries information, just like a bit in a computer, except smaller.
A whole new brand of physical reality, of information, has come to our attention in recent years, called dark matter. Dark just meaning invisible. In order for the motion of our galaxy, the speed and coherence of its rotation, to make gravitational sense, it has to be surrounded and permeated by what's called a halo of dark matter.
Not only could dark matter be going through me right now, but it almost certainly is, and I'm just not noticing it.
Regular matter comes in many different forms. There are electrons and protons, neutrons, quarks, all of those. If we can show that dark matter interacts with itself, that means there really could be dark matter galaxies, dark matter stars, dark matter planets and people all around us right now.
Since antiquity, spirits have been manifesting themselves in seances and hauntings. In light of the new cosmic discovery, it seems quite plausible that our own spirits are made of this counterpart form of matter. Under the right circumstances, the dead can reduce their frequency, blend with earthly matter, and become briefly dense enough to be seen and heard by living people. The two kinds of information are always together, occupying the same absolute space. If a spirit were to appear before you right now, it would be a brief, intention-driven reshuffling of the two types of matter, a change in their relationship, in their ratio. In 1921, Nobel Prize-winning scientist Charles Richet finally succeeded in capturing concrete, enduring proof of spirit manifestations. In a series of seances by Polish medium Franek Kloski, Richet and colleagues persuaded their posthumous visitors to solidify their hands and then immerse them in liquid paraffin, after which the hands desolidified. The resulting paraffin gloves cooled and hardened, and then plaster could be poured into them to create these famous casts, which are still on display in Paris a century later.